So you're always after quick and easy, healthy dinner ideas, right? You're a busy mum. I totally get it because I'm in the same boat. Have you ever tried pork and apple patties? They can go into burgers, or you can just serve them with wedges and a salad on the side. They take literally 5 minutes to put together, 10 minutes to cook, and you have got a meal on the table, depending on what you're serving it with. So, my name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. I just want to make your life easier, but so that you can put a healthy meal on the table for yourself and for your family. So this recipe is out of my latest cookbook, Healthy Lunchbox Love. It includes dinners and dessert recipes, so that's why there's pork and apple patties. Actually, leftovers could always be sent along in the kids' lunchboxes as well. So in my bowl here, I've got some free-range, 500 grams of free-range pork mince. I'm going to add in 1 grated apple, so great way to get some extra nutrition into your kids. 1 egg, and then I've got a chopped up spring onion here, 2 cloves of garlic, and I've got 1 teaspoon of dried oregano in here. I've got no herbs in my garden at the moment. It's just that in between season, and gosh, do I miss them. I love herbs. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I'm using the tamari soy sauce because that is gluten-free, and it doesn't have to be exact. I'm certainly not exact when it comes to this type of cooking. More so in my baking I am. A good grinding of salt and pepper. And that is all that goes into them. Now, if you come home from the supermarket, you've got your pork mince, you can actually throw all of these ingredients together, and then you could freeze it like this, or you could free flow them onto a tray into your patties and freeze them in individual patties. You could even freeze them cooked, but just so super easy and absolutely delicious. I get so many comments from families who have got my cookbook and just always comment on how much of a winner this recipe is in their family, and they just make it time and time again. So I would cook those in a pan in some oil and over a medium heat for about 4 or 5 minutes on either side. And then, as I said, serve them in a burger with some wedges on the side, or you could just serve them without the burger buns and with a salad and some steamed veggies on the side. You know, it's totally up to you what you do with them, but this is just a quick 5-minute throw together, 10-minute cook, and they're on the table. My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and if you want some more healthy ideas for your family and for yourself, come on over and join us in my free Facebook group, Healthy Eating Made Easy for Busy Mums. There's lots of action happening over there, and I share lots of extra goodness. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.